Hey Z besties, welcome back to another freaking video. So I know excuse me, Z besties, if you can tell by the title already, I'm having the worst hairstylist in my city come and do my hair. I know y'all looking at me like, girl, what is going on with your hair? It's gonna get done soon. So basically, I'm gonna put up what I wanted her to do right here, and we just gonna I'm gonna ask if I can record because she's supposed to be coming to my house at like 12:40 and it's 12:30 right now. So when she come, I'll be like, you know, I do YouTube and I'm finna see if I can record you, do your work or whatever, you know, promote you, and we're gonna see if she can really do the style that I wanted. But without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because I know you like seeing me. But this lighting is not giving right now. But we're gonna take my hair out and then we're just gonna get into it. I did get some I got burgundy braiding hair, so I'm gonna be having some burgundy hair just like the picture that I showed. But I'm gonna take, all right, so I just took out my hair and the girl just texted me. She said that she's on the way. So yeah, it's not much else to say. It's just we're gonna show the work when she get here, and this is the before, and we're gonna show the after when she's finished. But yeah, I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you I never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely. I want it back, I want the only. I'm trying to forget the things just remind me. Okay, Z besties, so literally we have to she keep taking breaks on my head. Like, come on, bruh. Right now I think it's by 9 at night. You know, I don't know, as of right now it's kind of giving. I know my camera kind of broke, but it's getting there. But I'm tired. I told her I'm finna go get me some food and stuff. And can we take a break? I'll be back, the besties.
Few moments later.
that was some of the styles that I just showed that you can do with the hair. I really like this color on me. Like, it's really pretty, and the braiding is neat. And yeah, don't play with me, don't play with her. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm gonna just try to this is how it's looking. Yes ma'am. So I got to like kind of down here. It's giving like a messy look, but also cute at the same time. I gotta go somewhere with this hair, but yeah. You guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in the next video, Z besties.